Hi Domain, welcome.
Come on through for a tour.
So welcome to the heart of our home. We absolutely love our living and dining space. We just feel like this is somewhere that you'll absolutely love to come and relax, pop your feet up on our beautiful Christian Cole purpose-built table.
Plenty of seating over here for everyone to sit around and watch television together. Extra high ceilings in here with our reclaimed timber beams that flow on through to the kitchen. You know, the brick fireplace bringing the outside in.
We wanted to create a space that really felt warm and inviting and somewhere that you could just really pop your feet up and come home and relax. We feel like we really delivered that. We really wanted to have like a bold kitchen, and we really felt that this encompassed Daylesford. It's moody, a lot of space, a lot of storage, and our glass cabinetry, which I absolutely love, our display cabinet. So
everyone can sort of sit around here, they can eat here. You've also got more places in the dining room. We've got plenty of room for everyone to have a big party here, don't we?
This season we are the only ones with the ASCO appliances. We feel very fortunate, and we also are the only ones who are fortunate enough to have a wine cabinet. So that stores over 300 bottles, and it's also fully stocked.
So welcome to our guest suite. In this room, we really sort of went very bold, didn't we, and colour drenched in here. Leash designed the wallpaper on the wall here, which is her own personal design.
I am not an artist at all, as you've seen probably this season, but for some reason, I just absolutely really enjoyed creating this, and these beacon wall sconces, I think, just complement. It all just really came together, this room. And
we wanted it to be a guest suite, but it can also be a second master. If you're here with family and friends, they can come here and they're nearly self-contained.
Yep.
Beautiful bathroom inside here, fridge and a coffee machine, TV.
This is the guest room that you create when you don't want your guests to leave, actually.
Yeah.
And welcome to my favourite room.
Our favourite room.
Oh, there you go.
Yep.
This is our Rumpus room. I had this in my mind from the minute we started the block. I think with our
Two
kitchen.
things, blue kitchen and then this room.
Our amazing builder Brody built this at home in his own time after tools down here, and it's something that we are all so proud of.
Our first room, we're really proud of, but it was the one we were like, this one is where you're going to see the rest of our house come from.
I wanted to create a room that I knew that if the kids were at school, this would be the room that I'd come and pick up a book.
You know, the sort of room where you can do everything in it. You can, you know, it can be for mum, it can be for dad, and it can be for the kids as well. Okay, so this is our master suite. We changed the layout here to, you know, create a gallery through here, and you know, we've got some beautiful artwork in here, or you could have family photos alike, which then leads us into our grand master suite.
As parents, we spend a lot of time in our bedroom. For us, we wanted to create a space that, you know, really gave us that room to spread out and feel that luxe, you know, feeling. Once again, we created our own wallpaper in here that we're very proud of.
Electric fireplace.
Love that, so beautiful.
Bit of extra seating
over to the side. Large TV. I just really feel like this space is just something that I would love to come home and just duck down in and have a, you know, your own little private bath.
So we've made it private through to here with our wood panel, with our secret door.
Yeah. Into
our sort of his and hers change room as such, isn't it? And then into our master bathroom, so it all flows really nicely through here.
Well, thanks so much for coming, Domain. We hope you love our home that we've created, and we'll see you soon. And you can go too.
Lucky the pub's over the road.